Meet Kato. Kato the Katomic kitten. Kato has a superpower. She can do many things simultaneously. Kato is Katomic. Kato is happy to introduce you to her very own language, Katomic. Katomic is the natural language of atomic swaps. Let's illustrate this with an example. Alice, Bob, and Carol want to swap apples, bananas, and carrots. They write a Katomic script that simply states who and what is involved and who is sending what. Kato then does her magic and makes a Katomic swap. Let's see Kato in action. We head over to katomic.org and enter our script. Hit Preview to see JSON data in a format that matches the Hedera SDK. If you make any mistakes, don't worry. Kato will point you in the right direction. When ready, hit Publish and your script will be made available to any marketplace via an HCS AppNet. In this example, GoMint presents the deal, and as Alice, Bob, and Carol all need to sign, we need to allow some time to collect the signatures. Here we show Carol signing first. This creates a new offline transaction, which Carol can then share with Alice and Bob. Once they've both signed and the start time becomes valid, any node on the AppNet can go ahead and submit the transaction to Hedera Hashgraph for verification and consensus. Within just 3 to 5 seconds, a receipt comes back from Hedera that we can verify on any mirror node. Full transparency and trust from the world's fastest, most secure, globally distributed ledger, Hedera Hashgraph. And no smart contracts are needed, making Katomic swaps the greenest, most scalable option available. But why Kato? Web3 is still in its infancy. Kato is here to educate and help teams collaborate on this journey.
Hi, my name's Alex Taylor, and my experience in business and technology is from an old way of thinking, specifically banking and working with systems that haven't really changed since the 70s. It's taken me a long time to begin to understand some of the concepts within the so-called Web3 space, and learning from mistakes has been tough but important. It's helped me become more aware of what I don't know, moving from stage 1 to stage 2 on this chart. Working on Hedera projects, I've learned so much, but it's been a huge challenge to update my dinosaur skill set. If you're a developer, there are some great resources to get building on Hedera, but it's much harder if you're not at least comfortable around a GitHub repo. Kato is here to help bridge the gap and provide a natural language that enables anyone to learn playfully about Hedera native atomic swaps and contribute to building innovative solutions. Lawyers, accountants, salespeople, anyone really. It's not that hard. It's more of a mental shift, and Kato is here to help make that shift. What's also really exciting though is the potential that AI has if given a language that interfaces naturally with us. This is also crucially important ethically to ensure we understand what we are creating. So what's next? Today we saw Kato demo using a Katomic script on a marketplace, but you could link it to any website or service, or build on it further, e.g. by creating a GUI. And for education, you can create template scripts that help teach by doing. For the first time, Kato makes it possible for anyone, whether or not a developer, to build and execute their own Hedera native atomic swaps. Thank you very much for your time and for watching. I think this has really gone off with a bang, so I appreciate it. And if you've got any questions or like to discuss anything, please do get in touch, and thank you very much.